that. Special delivery. I need that. Special delivery.
All right, special delivery again. We are back. Got something special in the mail once again. I don't know how often I'm going to do these things, but this is something special. Came from Europe. Let's get to it. Got a very special pair of these are my old Air Maxes, not these. I got a very special box, all the way from the EU. Yes, the box has a window in it. This is probably one of the coolest boxes because it looks very simple, and then you open it and you can see the whole shoe. You can see all of it. So, clearly it is the Off-White Jordan 1 White European edition, European exclusive, whatever they're calling it. So let's check them out. So I've had a very little time to look at these so far, but overall has a very similar feel to the first Off-White Jordan 1. Some of the materials are the same. It looks like the leather's roughly the same. Some of the other materials are either used on the Jordan, the Off-White Jordan, or the other Off-White shoes in the 10s collection. So it has a super similar feel, super consistent with that whole collection. Overall, I mean, there's not much you can say about the shoe besides the fact that it's really clean. I like that there are some like alterations in color, so not everything is pure white. You have this white. The different textures have kind of different, says more of a bluish tint to it. But overall, the consistency with the 10s is here. You have the kind of off-white sole, just like in the first Jordan 1 that they did. I've only tried it on briefly. Wearability is kind of the same as the first one. It's not the most comfortable shoe, as with most Jordan 1s aren't the most comfortable shoe, but if you are a Jordan 1 connoisseur, then I think this is something that you want to get just because of how simple it is, but it still has a lot of flair, a lot of little hidden details, as most of the Off-White stuff does. The little stitches, this little box edition. I love some of these little really small details within the stitching. Has the Off-White stamp on that side, on the inside, and then obviously the classic 85 here. Overall, a really clean, good-looking shoe. Once again, wearability, probably not the best, probably not an everyday shoe. Will probably get better as you wear them, I think, which I really like the idea of. But really simple. I love the idea of releasing them only in Europe. I thought that was really nice. I have yet to know if they are going to be releasing in the US, but the fact that they were only released in Europe initially was kind of nice. I like the idea that you could only get them over there. And just a really good, solid addition to the Off-White collection. Really excited to have these. I think they're cool. Once again, not an everyday wear. I'm more of a comfort guy for everyday stuff, but good, clean pair to add to the collection. If you can get your hands on it and you're a Jordan person, or specifically a Jordan 1 person, highly recommend it. And the box is really fun. You get multiple colors of laces, as usual with the Off-White stuff. Orange, purple, grayish blue, black and white. And you get to look at them through the clear box if you want. So definitely recommend these babies if you can get your hands on them, if you're a Jordan person. If not, who cares? Until next time.
Special delivery. I want that. Special delivery. I need that. Special delivery.